There is one small habit. It decides if you stay stuck in English or become fluent faster than you expect. James sits quietly. People around him are talking in English. Someone asks him a simple question. Hey, James, what do you think? His heart starts beating fast. His mind goes blank, then suddenly too full. What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh? What if I say it wrong? He knows the answer. In his own language, it is easy, clear, simple. But in English, everything feels heavy. He tries to speak. I think it's okay. And that's it. The moment passes. People move on. But inside, James feels something break. That was not what I wanted to say. This is not because James is bad at English. It is not about vocabulary. It is not about grammar. It is a habit, a hidden habit inside his brain. Every time James wants to speak, he does one thing first. He translates, word by word. He builds a sentence in his head. He checks it. He fixes it. He doubts it. And in that moment, everything slows down. His brain feels pressure, and pressure creates fear, and fear creates silence. This is why he feels stuck, not because he cannot speak, but because his brain is trained the wrong way. First shift, stop translating everything. You do not need perfect sentences. You need fast thoughts. Speak simple, even if it feels incomplete. Say what comes first, not what sounds perfect. Second shift, trust small words. Your brain already knows basic English. Use it. Do not search for big words. Keep it short. Keep it clear. Keep it real. Third shift, accept mistakes early. Mistakes are not failure. They are training. Every wrong sentence teaches your brain to move faster next time. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is moving English. James did not learn more grammar. He did not memorize more words. He changed one habit, and slowly, everything started to change. At first, nothing felt different. James still felt nervous. His voice was still not strong. But something small had changed. This time, he did not wait for perfect words. He spoke early. Even if it felt messy, even if it felt wrong. One day, the same situation happened again. Someone looked at him and asked, James, what do you think? For a second, the fear came back. But this time, he did not stop. He spoke. I think this idea is good, but maybe we try another way. It was not perfect, but it was real, and something surprising happened. No one laughed. No one judged him. They listened. They understood. And they responded. That moment changed something inside him. James realized something important. People do not wait for perfect English. They wait for clear ideas. Days passed, then weeks. James kept using the same habit. Speak early. Use simple words. Allow mistakes. At first, it felt uncomfortable. But slowly, his brain became faster. He stopped building sentences in his head. He started thinking in English. Small thoughts at first. Simple ideas. Then longer sentences. Then real conversations. Now, James does not feel stuck. He does not feel silent. He speaks. Not perfectly, but naturally. Calm. Clear. Confident. The same person. But a different mind. Future James walks into the same room. People are talking. Someone asks him, what do you think? He does not panic. He does not freeze. He speaks. I think we should try a different plan. This one might not work well. No overthinking. No fear. Just expression. Because now, his brain is trained to move, not to stop. Here is the truth most people never understand. Fluency is not built by learning more. It is built by removing hesitation. Let that sink in. Fluency is not about knowing everything. It is about saying something, even when it is not perfect. And here's a line you need to remember. You are not slow because your English is weak. You are slow because you are waiting to be perfect. So next time you want to speak, do this. Do not translate. Do not wait. Just start. Even one simple sentence is enough, because that one sentence is how your new brain begins. And now the question is simple. Will you keep waiting for perfect English, or will you finally start speaking in perfect English today?